Did you know one battle completely erased English as an official language for 3 centuries? When William the Conqueror defeated King Harold at Hastings in 1066, he didn't just claim the throne, he replaced the entire ruling class with Norman French speakers. Overnight, every court proceeding switched to French. Legal documents, government records, even school lessons. English became the language of peasants and servants. If you wanted power, wealth, or education, you had to speak French. This created the bizarre English vocabulary we use today. We kept Germanic words for everyday things like cow, pig, and house. But formal concepts got French names like beef, pork, and mansion. The kitchen had chickens, but the dining room served poultry. For 300 years, speaking English marked you as lower class. Only during the 100 Years' War in the 1300s did English nobles rediscover their native tongue. One invasion split English into two languages that somehow became one.